months ago, I uploaded on this plant. It's a hydrangea with pretty flowers on a small plastic packet. I never focus much on planters, rather pay much effort on plant growth and infestation. 3 large cluster of flowers on a young plant hydrangea. Today we'll show you the flowers now and then. This clipping is on first week April of this year. Today on this episode we'll tell you 3 crucial notes on hydrangea. So friends, stay tuned for 3 minutes only. If you are a new viewer to my channel, please do subscribe and watch other videos on my channel. You can follow me on Insta and be a member of the Facebook group Garden Hill, where you can post your flowers and plants. Now let's check the present day condition of the plant. The same cluster of flowers after 3 months. Only the luster and beauty has become dull. Now the first crucial note. We can keep the flowers, but for more stem growth and more shoot growth, I will snip off the flowers. You might be thinking, so mean. But nothing doing, friends. If you want more branches, you have to cut the flowers, वरना पौधे की growth एक जगह रुक जाएगी. The plant will focus its energy on making seeds. So right at this condition, you will snip off flowers. Now the second crucial note. As monsoon is the best time for hydrangea growth, we will make cuttings of this plant beside the mother plant. You should understand which sort of stem should we cut. Any stems which have no buds or flowers, you can make cuttings. So I snip off this stem at the base with a woody to green portion. Remove basal leaves and keep only 1 or 2 leaves. And if you are a confident person, then keep all leaves, nothing will happen. Friends, all these plants are grown from cuttings. The mother plant was on a red pot. The plant is no more. It survived 7 long years. So the stem I placed near the plant in this pot. Now we have everyday rain. Monsoon has started in April in my city. Hydrangea is sensitive to weather and water. The plant needs too much humidity, warmth and coolness. Temperature now is ranging between 29 and 21 degrees Celsius and humidity 82% these days. Perfect for Calathea triangularis hydrangea. Third and final note is, during winter the plant will lose all its leaves. Do not panic, the plant will again show its best growth by early spring. I am showing you the cut ends from where the flowers have been cut. But to keep the plant healthy and strong, July-August is the best time to prune stems and let plant produce more branches. If your plant has completed its flowering, then do it within August. So friends, I may give you the update this year only on your demand, or else meet with my hydrangea next year. That's all friends for today. Stay connected. Love from Garden Hill. Bye bye.